There's always a time in your life when you feel like you gotta do something, and then when you put your mind to it, you gotta do it. So you always try to think about the little obstacles that you're gonna face. But you never expect when you go outside, you see a whole bunch of police outside waiting for somebody, and they block you from leaving. Those are called obstacles. We all have obstacles in our lives, but if you put that mentality and focus on the obstacle, you're not gonna face nothing. But if you see that obstacle as the police, you realize you gotta do something else. That's what we're all gonna do today. Learn to do something else. If police is blocking you, do something else.
When she get on top, she like to maintain the pace. We ain't in competition, but I wanna win the race. We ain't in competition, but I like to win the race. Be quiet, shawty keep screaming, the niggas know me in the high end. Police was cold, but they said no ID was required. The way she was screaming, they thought that it was a riot. Big old booty dropping down to the ground. You know me, I'm tryna hit that shit down. Ass so fat, it's so big, it's around. Shit so wet, when I'm in it, I drown. Sexy ass chick, and she go downtown. Going deep in it, and make that macaroni sound. See you in this room, we going pound for pound. I'm the king right here, she said I put that shit down. Down.
Now, the U.S. sales tax of 6%, and local municipalities can add their own 2% on, making it regarding the average of the state 7.01%. Groceries exempt, prescription drugs exempt, property taxes not even with the national average.
Big old booty, drop it down to the ground. You know me, I'm tryna hit that shit down. Ass so fat, it's so big, it's around. Shit so wet, when I'm in it, I drown. Sexy ass chick, and she go downtown. Going deep in it, it make that macaroni sound. Me and you in this room, we going pound for pound. I'm the king right here, she said I put that shit down. I put that shit down. Bring that ass over here and don't make a sound. Word around town, that she don't sleep around. When I pull up to the crib, she already in a gown. If she in a gown, then you know that I'm ready. I got the bitch box beating hard like a chef. She like to shake her ass to the sound of the bass. She got my nuts looking all in the face. And when she get on top, she like to maintain the pace. We ain't in competition, but I wanna win the race. And when she get on top, she like to maintain the pace. We ain't in competition, but I like to win the race. Be quiet, shawty keep screaming, the neighbors know me in the high end. Police was cold, but they said no ID was required. The way she was screaming, they thought that it was a riot. Big old booty, drop it down to the ground. You know me, I'm tryna hit that shit down. Ass so fat, it's so big, it's around. Shit so wet, when I'm in it, I drown. Sexy ass chick, and she go downtown. Going deep in